Hi everyone, today I'll show you how the Nippon 2 mechanical timer works. So first off, this timer has these specifications and I'll show you. Alright, so the on mode means that it's just going to be a pass-through where the device is going to be turned on and disregard the timer mechanism. And when you put this on the symbol itself, it means that the timer mode is on. So right now, to set it, you need to, press down the bits, and when you see like the bits is pressed down, it means that it's gonna be on. So now I'm setting it at, between 11 a.m. until 6 p.m. So it means that I'm gonna be turning it on until from 11 to 6. So let's assume I have one more hour, so 7 p.m. So this is how it works. And then you can see there's a mechanism here which detects what time is it. So I'm going to demonstrate it to you. Okay, so first I'm going to plug in the device. So before you turn on the timer, before set the timer, make sure that the device is on. Then plug into the power, because this design is pretty bulky, so before I plug it in, I need to turn on the switch first, ensure there's power, then plug it in. So now it's on because now is the time which is in between the time we want. So you can see here it's at 15, like 3 p.m. Okay, let's assume that it's after 7. See, it turned off. Then the timer will just move. I'm gonna zoom in for you to see. So move. The timer will actually go forward. And then when you reach 11, okay, let's see. Okay, look closely. So when this mechanism is pressed in, then the light will be on. Yeah, so this is how a timer works. And if I hold the timer close enough to the camera, you can actually hear a sound. Let me see, can you hear the sound? Well, maybe not, because I have another unit where the sound is pretty audible. So, alright, this is how the physical or mechanical electric timer works with this particular device. But of course, you can plug this to any device and you just turn on, provided that the device has a mechanical turn on switch. So there you go. Hope that helps. A very interesting thing I noticed is that when I put it on turn on mode or pass through mode, the needle actually is pushed up, which turns on the mechanism. So when it's on a timer mode, it's down, means that it's off. Then for example, when actually when you reach a time that I want, which is night time, I want to turn on the device at night because it's a mosquito killer, so called. So when it reached 6 p.m, it's pushed up, then it's on. But as the time passes and daylight approach, it will off. However, if for whatever reason I want to turn on the device by itself and I put on mode, you can see the needle is pushed up and it turns on the device. It's a very beautiful mechanical construct. So timer modes all set. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And thank you so much everyone for joining by. See you guys next time. And before you go, I would like to remind you that the Lord Jesus Christ, who was crucified and resurrected, He loves you and He heals. So take care. Bye. God bless.